Hello everyone. Today I want to make a cool fashionable suit out of a men's sweater. I divide it into parts. Any knitted sweater can be used. And I cut with scissors. Here. Here. And here. Everything is fine. The bottom part will be a skirt, and the top part of the sweater will be a top. Let's start with the skirt. Along the edges, according to my standards, they're bound to need tacking here and there. So, everything that is unnecessary I cut off. The skirt is almost ready. Near the buttons I want to sew with a seam, so that when walking in any movement the skirt does not open. Tuck the bottom by 1 centimeter and stitch it with an overlock in thread. Now the skirt is ready, though the video is hard to see. Let's do the top of the suit. Here I also want to cut off a small neck, so that there are open shoulders. The jacket to have not a shape, but a parallel silhouette of the fastener. For this I cut off half to make parallel stripes. I'll also sew here, so that the blouse does not open when moving and walking. I also tuck the top and bottom of the product by 1 centimeter. and it with an overlock dot and grind. Excellent. The costume is ready. I will try on.